Hello guys, welcome back to the Hyperledger Fabric video series. In this video, we will see what is blockchain. So let's dive in. Blockchain is a technology involving multiple nodes connected in a distributed network. All these nodes will have a same shared data stored in their local storage devices. The ultimate aim of the blockchain is to have a distributed data record shared between multiple nodes in a safe and reliable manner. Communication between blockchain nodes will happen in a peer-to-peer model instead of a client-server model. Data stored in blockchain is immutable. When I say blockchain data, what I mean is the shared data stored in every node's local storage. As of in 2018, considering the computational powers available, data in blockchain is impossible to hack. In further videos, I will show you how immutability is achieved and why blockchain is almost impossible to hack. Okay, now let's dive into my definition of blockchain, what I think blockchain is. It is a distributed ledger technology combined with cryptographic techniques such as public key cryptography and hashing to create decentralized solutions. I will explain what is distributed ledger technology, public key cryptography, and hashing in my further videos along with these following blockchain terms: ledgers, hashing, consensus algorithms, cryptocurrency or tokens, miners or data mining, nodes or peers, transaction and states. So see you guys in the next video.